Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope inshallah all is well. قال الله تعالى الذين إن مكناهم في الأرض أقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأمروا بالمعروف ونهوا عن المنكر ولله عاقبة الأمور. It means those who, if we grant them power in the land, will maintain the prayer, give the zakat, bid what is right and forbid what is wrong. And with Allah rests the outcome of all matters. What was the method of the divine prophets to bring the servants to summit of human dignity? Did the prophets sit in their own monastery like the ascetics and mystics of the world so that people would come see their spiritual state and join them? No, not at all. The prophets do not believe in individual education. The prophets do not believe in individual humanization. The prophets of God did not have the opportunity to educate each person individually for their own sake. But they tried to build a suitable environment, a good society, so that people could be educated in that society. To explain this discussion, the Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei says in the book An Outline of Islamic Thought in the Quran, the prophets answered to the question how to create human beings. It is that a divine society, a monotheistic society, should be created in a suitable environment. So that the people in that suitable environment are not one, not 10, not 1,000, but a group of people. There is no differences between time and place. When the conditions are right, a person is educated. Today's verse refers to this important point. Performing salat means that in a monotheistic society, the one who lives by the Quran is not only a person who prays, but also leads his society in this important act of worship. He is a member of the mosque and invites others into the house of Allah. Wa'atu zakat means that a believer in a monotheistic society pays attention to his relatives, his friends, his neighbor, and tries to solve their problems. وَأَمَرُوا بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَنَهَوْا عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ means that the believer in the monotheistic society is careful. He takes care of himself and the people around him. He takes care that no one corrupts the environment in which the servant of God is to be educated, must not be dragged into the dirt. In such a way, that servant of Satan is educated. Let's try to enjoin good and forbid wrong. All the best to you.